Hi, welcome to Chinese Handwriting Lesson 4. Today, I'm going to introduce 4 basic strokes. They are all related to shu, that vertical stretch. First one, shu zhe. As I mentioned before, zhe means turn. So you first write a shu, then turn to the right. This is one stroke. So when you write it, there's no disconnection. It's connected. Shu, zhe. You just need to follow this direction of these arrows. You will know how to write this. Here's the example. Shan. It means mountain or hill. Here is shu, zhe. You see when you turn, this is a sharp angle. It will be different from the other stretch we will learn later in this video. Here is sharp. Shu zhe. This is how it's going to be written on paper. Shu zhe. See, sharp. Okay, next one, shu ti. It's a combination of shu and ti. Ti is something we learned in last video. It's a short from the bottom to the top. Follow the direction of these arrows from the top to the bottom, then ti. Again, this is one stroke. You have to write them connectly, not two part. This is the example, chang. It means long. From the top to the bottom, and ti. This is how it's written on paper. Top to the bottom, go up. Next one, shu wan. Wan also means turn. Here is a short turn and with a curve, not like shu zhe, that one is sharp. Here is round. Again, follow the direction of the arrows, and there's no disconnection. This is one stroke. Shu wan. In this example, you will see the blue part here is a shu wan. This is number 4. Pronounced in Chinese, si. Shu wan. Here I'll show you how it's written on paper. From top to the bottom, and a small turn and round. This angle is round, it's a curve. This one has a hook, go. So shu wan go. Shu wan go hook. Again, you follow this direction. This is one stroke, no disconnection. Shu wan go. In this example, this is yuan, means dollar. Yuan. Here is the shu wan go. Okay, this is how it's written on paper. Start from the bottom. A round turn and with a hook. Shu wan go. The last slide I will show you how these 4 characters are written. And each of these individual stroke is included. Let's start from the first one, shu zhe. This is shan. The first stroke is the shu. Shu zhe, sharp. Another shu. Next one is chang, pie, heng. Shu ti, na. Si, shu, heng zhe, pie, shu wan, heng. Yuan, heng, heng, pie, shu wan go. Okay, this is all we learned in this video, 4 different strokes. Please don't forget to practice in the 田字格 form. You will find the video both in English and Chinese in this same playlist. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.